Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss chemical bonding related most important topic hybridization, geometry, shape and bond angle. Any problem, any confusion in this topic I will solve in this lecture. So please don't skip the video. First I am going to start hybridization. Hybridization calculated with the help of steric number formula. The steric number formula. Steric number Sn equal to half into V plus M minus A minus C plus A minus C plus A, where V equal to number of valence electron of central atom, and M equal to number of monovalent side atoms like hydrogen, halogen, etc. And C is the cationic charge and A is anionic charge. So first hybridization calculated steric number formula Sn equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A, where V equal to number of valence electron of central atom, M equal to number of monovalent side atom like hydrogen, halogen, C for cationic charge, A for anionic charge. Now valence electron, central atom valence electron like beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen and xenon. This is inert gas. Valence electron, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is valence electron? In case of beryllium, there is four number atomic number. So this is 1s2, 2s2. So this 2 is the valence electron. So this is the 2, and boron, this is 3, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 1. So this is 3. For carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, and halogen this is 7, and inert gas this is 8. Now first choose central atom. First atom present in least number. Atom present in least number, this is central atom, and others least electronegative atom. So this is the central atom. First choose central atom. Central atom means atom present in least number and least electronegative. Example, beryllium F2. In beryllium F2, 2 fluorine is there and 1 beryllium is there. So least number of beryllium. So this is the central atom. Now first calculate steric number. So this is half into V plus M minus C plus A. Now half into, this is valence electron beryllium. This valence electron is 2. In case of beryllium, valence electron 2. So this is 2 plus M equal to monovalent atom, number of monovalent atom 2. This is fluorine is monovalent, so number of monovalent 2. So this is 2. No cation, no anionic charge is there. So this is 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now hybridization, we know S 1 orbital, P having 3 orbital and D having 5 d orbital. So this is 2. So 1, 2. So hybridization is sp hybridization. First calculate hybridization. Then calculate steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Remember this thing. So steric number, there is two steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now bond pair means number of side atom. There is number of side atom 2, some number of side atom. So this is 2 bond pair is there. So 2, and lone pair equal to 0 because formation 2. So addition 0 plus 2 equal to 2. So lone pair 0, bond pair 2. So the structure beryllium, this is F, this F. Now geometry and shape. Now in steric number equal to 2, geometry is linear, and lone pair, there is no lone pair. Lone pair is equal to 0. No lone pair. So geometry and shape, lone pair equal to 0. In case of lone pair equal to 0, geometry and shape are equal. So geometry is linear and shape also linear. This is the linear structure. And bond angle, this bond angle is 180 degree. So bond angle equal to 180 degree. So remember these things, all things. First calculate steric number, Then steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So bond pair means number of side atom. Number of side atom, this is 2. So bond pair equal to 2. And addition 0 to form the 2. So this is lone pair equal to 0. Lone pair equal to 0. So geometry and shape are equal. In case of steric number 2, geometry is linear and shape also linear, and bond angle, this is 180 degree. And hybridization, this is 2. So this is sp, this is sp hybridization. Now another example in case of CO2. First, steric number calculation. Half into V plus M minus C plus A. This is the steric number formula. Equal to half into valence shell, the central atom is carbon, so valence shell electron 4, so this is 4, plus monovalent, but oxygen is bivalent, so there is no monovalent, so this is 0, and cationic, anionic, there is no cationic anionic charge, so this is 0. So 4 by 2 equal to 2. So 2, this is sp3 sp, so this hybridization is sp hybridization. Hybridization is sp hybridization. Now second, steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So this steric number equal to, calculate the steric number equal to 2, and bond pair, number of side atom, there is number of side atom is 2, oxygen, 2 oxygen is there, so bond pair equal to 2, and addition 0 to form 2, so 2 plus 0 form 2, so bond pair equal to 2 but lone pair equal to 0. Now same geometry is linear because in steric number 2 geometry also linear, and shape, there is no lone pair, so shape also linear, and bond angle similar, this is bond angle is 180 degree because the structure is linear structure, C double bond O, C double bond A, and the bond angle is 180 degree. These two case, steric number equal to 2. This is all about steric number equal to 2. Another example in case of BF3. Now in BF3, calculate steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. Now B equal to, now there is V equal to valence shell of central atom is boron valence shell, this is 3 plus M equal to number of monovalent, this is monovalent equal to 3, fluorine is monovalent, so this is 3, so 3, this is 6 by 2 equal to 3, so 3, this S P this is 1 2 3, so hybridization is sp2 hybridization, so sp2 hybridization. Then steric number equal to 3 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now 3 equal to bond pair, first check number of side atom equal to 3, so bond pair, this is the number of side atom equal to bond pair, this is 3, plus lone pair equal to 0, 3 plus 0 equal to 3, so this is lone pair equal to 0. Now geometry, in case of steric number equal to 3, geometry is trigonal planar. Remember this thing. Steric number equal to 2, this is linear. Steric number equal to 3, this is trigonal planar. Now shape, there is lone pair equal to 0, so shape, geometry are equal, so this is also trigonal planar. Now bond angle, this structure is trigonal planar, and bond angle, all the bond angle are 120 degree, so all the bond angle 120 degree. Example CO3 2 minus. First calculate steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. So half into, this is the central atom, so valence, the electron 4, so 4 plus monovalent, there is oxygen is bivalent, so this is 0, minus cationic, no cationic charge, but anionic, this is 2 anionic charge, so this is plus 2, so half into 6 equal to 3, so 3, this is sp2 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 3 equal to bond pair plus lone pair, so 3 equal to, there is number of side atom 3, so 3 bond pair, no lone pair is there, so this is the geometry same, this is trigonal planar, and shape also same, this is trigonal planar, and bond angle also same, this is 120 degree. Now another example, the structure, suppose this structure is trigonal planar, this is O negative, this is O negative, so this structure is this. And another example, suppose O3, in case of O3, first calculate steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. So O3, written this O2, so O is the central atom, so central atom, this is 6 valence electron, So half equal to 6 plus, there is no monovalent atom, so this is 0, minus no cationic, no anionic charge, so this is 3. So 3 means this is sp2 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 3 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now 3 equal to, there is number of side atom equal to 2, so 2 number of side atom, so this is the bond pair. If addition 1 to form 3, so 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair is there. So remember this thing, lone pair equal to 1. Now geometry same, this is trigonal planar, but shape, we determine the shape. The structure is O double bond O and 1 lone pair is there. There is 1 lone pair and 2 bond pair, 1 lone pair. We determine the shape. Lone pair we are not consider, so lone pair we are not consider. So this is the V-shaped, this is V-shaped, or this is called bend shaped, or this is another called angular shaped. So remember these 3 things, this is V-shaped or bend shaped or angular shaped. This is the trigonal planar geometry, but shape determination lone pair does not consider, only bond pair. So this is V-shaped, this is bend shaped, or this is angular shaped. And bond angle will be changed because this is the VSE pair theory. Next day I will discuss. Another example, SO2 similar to O3, you will try. So this is all about steric number 3. Next I discuss steric number 4. The example CH4, steric number equal to half equal to V plus half into V plus M minus C plus M. Now half into V, this central atom, this is 4 valence electron, 4 plus number of monovalent hydrogen is there, so total 4 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So 4 means sp3, sp, so 1 2 3 4 sp3 hybridization. Then steric number equal to 4 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now bond pair check, number side atom 4, so 4 bond pair is there, so 4 plus 0 equal to 4, so 4 plus 0, so lone pair equal to 0. In case of steric number equal to 4, the geometry is tetrahedral, and shape this is there is lone pair equal to 0, so shape similar to geometry, this is also tetrahedral. Now the structure is carbon, hydrogen is there, 1 hydrogen above and 1 hydrogen below. This is the tetrahedral geometry. Now in bond angle, all bond angle are 190 degree, 109 degree, 28 minute, 109 degree, 28 minute. Bond angle, all are bond angle 109 degree, 28 minute. Now another example, SO4 2 minus, you will try. This is similar to CH4. Example in case of ammonia. First calculate steric number equal to half plus V plus M minus C plus A. So half into V, this is nitrogen valence electron 5, so 5 plus number of, this is hydrogen monovalent atom, this is 3, so 3 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4 means sp3 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 4 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now 4 equal to bond pair, there is side atom, number of side atom 3, so 3 bond pair is there, and addition 1 to form the 4, so addition 1, this is the lone pair, so lone pair equal to 1. Now geometry is tetrahedral, so geometry first, N 3 bond pair is there, so hydrogen, one is above hydrogen, another is below hydrogen, and the 1 lone pair is there, so this is the lone pair. So the shape determination, lone pair we are not consider, only bond pair, so this is we are not consider, this is the pyramidal shape, so shape is pyramidal. And bond angle we know tetrahedral case, bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes change to, in case of ammonia, lone pair bond pair interaction change to nearest equal to 107 degree. But why change? Because this is VSE theory. Next day I will discuss. H3O plus is similar to NH3, so you will try H3O plus. Now another example, H2. Steric number equal to half V plus M minus C plus A. So half into oxygen central atom, this is 6 plus monovalent atom 2, so this is 8 by 2 equal to 4 means sp3 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 4 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So 4 equal to, there is 2 hydrogen is there, side atom 2 hydrogen, so this is the bond pair, and lone pair equal to 2 because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so lone pair equal to 2. Now the geometry, see steric number equal to 4, geometry is tetrahedral. So oxygen 2 bond is there, 2 bond pair is there, and 2 are lone pair, so 2 are lone pair. Now the shape is, this shape does not consider the lone pair, only bond pair, so this is V-shaped, or sometimes it is called bend shaped, or it is called angular shaped. So remember 3 names: V-shaped or bend shaped or angular shaped. Now bond angle change because lone pair interaction, lone pair bond pair interaction. So 109 degree 28 minutes to change nearest equal to 105 degree. Now ICl2 plus, this is similar to H2 structure, so you will try this, the geometry structure hybridization. Now next I discuss PF5. First calculate steric number. Steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A, equal to half into this is the nitrogen family, so valence cell, this is 5, valence electron 5 plus number of monovalent atom 5, so this is 5, so 10 by 5 equal to 5. Now this hybridization spp d5d orbital, so 1 2 3 4 5, so this is hybridization is sp3p3 and d sp3 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 5 equal to bond pair plus lone pair, so 5 equal to, there is bond pair equal to, there is side atom 5, so 5 bond pair, this is 0 lone pair, 5 plus 0 equal to 5, so this is 0 lone pair. Now steric number equal to 5, so geometry is TBP, trigonal bipyramidal geometry, and shape is same because there is no lone pair is there, so shape is TBP. And bond angle, the structure determination, this is the TBP structure, F and 2A bar axial, 3A bar equatorial and 2A bar axial. So the bond angle, this is 90 degree, and this bond angle are 120 degree. So one bond angle is 90 degree and another bond angle are 120 degree. So 90 degree, 120 degree bond angle is there. Now another example, PF2Cl3. Similar steric number calculation, this is half into V plus M minus C plus A, so half into V equal to 5 plus number of monovalent, this is 2, this is 3, so total 5, so equal to 5 by 10 by 2 equal to 5, this is sp3d. So steric number equal to bond pair plus lone pair, this is 5 equal to 5 bond pair is there, 2 and 3, so total 5 side atom, so 5 bond pair, this is 0 lone pair. So the structure, this is TBP structure, so this is the TBP structure. So this fluorine and chlorine, because fluorine is axial position. Why? Because in case of TBP, more electronegative atom in axial position and less electronegative atom in equatorial position. Remember this thing. So fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine, so fluorine is axial position and chlorine are equatorial position. SF4 steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. So this is sulfur is oxygen family, so valence electron 6, so 6, and monovalent, this is 4 monovalent atom, so 4, equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5 means sp3d hybridization. So steric number 5 equal to bond pair plus lone pair, so 5 plus bond pair, number side atom there is 4, so 4 bond pair, and 1 lone pair is there because 4 plus 1 equal to 5, so 1 lone pair is there. And geometry, this is TBP. And shape determination, first geometry draw, so S F more electronegative atom, and this is fluorine and lone pair is equatorial position. So remember this thing, in case of TBP, lone pair in equatorial position, not axial position, so remember. So this is the shape is, this lone pair are not considered for shape determination, so this is the seesaw shape, so shape is seesaw. Well, IF4 plus similar to SF4, so you will try. Now another example, ClF3. First calculate steric number. Steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A. So half into V valence electron, the central atom valence electron 7. So 7 plus monovalent, this is 3 monovalent atom. So 3 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. So steric number equal to 5 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So 5 equal to bond pair. This is 3 side atom, 3 bond pair is there, and addition 2 so form 5. So 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So 2 lone pair is there. So lone pair equal to 2. Now the structure, the geometry is TBP. So the structure for chlorine and 2 lone pair in equatorial position. So first we consider lone pair in equatorial position, then bond pair. This is bond pair. So shape, in case of shape determination, lone pair are not considered. So this is the T shape. This is T shaped. I3 minus. First steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A equal to half into I3 minus means I2 whole minus. So I, this is central atom, this is 7. So 7 valence electron plus number of monovalent atom, this is 2 monovalent atom, this is 2. And cationic, there is no cationic charge, this is 0. And anionic, there is 1 anionic charge is there. So total half into, this is 7 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 10. This is 5. 5 means sp3d hybridization. Now steric number equal to 5 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So 5 equal to, there is bond pair, the side atom equal to 2. 2 side atom is there. So 2 and addition 3 to form 5. So lone pair equal to 3. Now first draw lone pair in equatorial position. So 1, 2 and 3 lone pair equatorial position, and 2 are axial position to form the shape. And geometry is TBP, but shape we are not consider lone pair. This is the I shaped. This is linear shaped. I shaped or linear shaped. This is linear shaped. XGF2, this is similar to I3 minus. So we will try, and this is all about steric number equal to 5. Next I discuss steric number equal to 6. A shape 6. First calculate steric number equal to half into B plus M equal to half into this valence electron, this is oxygen family, this is 6 plus fluorine, 6 fluorine is there. So 6 equal to 6 equal to sp3d2 hybridization, because spp and d and d 5d. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sp3d2 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 6 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. So 6 equal to bond pair, there is 6 bond pair is there, 6 bond pair, and lone pair equal to 0. 6 plus 0 equal to 6. So lone pair equal to 0. Now in case of steric number equal to 6, geometry equal to octahedral, but shape is same, because lone pair equal to 0. So geometry and shape are same. So this is also octahedral shape. And bond angle, all are bond angle 90 degree. So the structure is S F and 2 are axial. So this is the structure of octahedral geometry. PF6 minus, this is the similar example of SF6. So we will try PF6 minus. Now another example, BRF5. First calculate steric number equal to half into V plus M minus C plus A equal to half into, this is bromine valence electron, this is 7. So 7 plus monovalent atom 5. So this is 12 by 2 equal to 6. 6 means sp3d2 hybridization. Now steric number equal to 6 equal to bond pair plus lone pair. Now there is bond pair equal to side atom equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So lone pair equal to 1. So the geometry is octahedral geometry. So first draw this bromine and 4 fluorine is there, and 1 fluorine in this, and 1 lone pair is this. In case of octahedral, lone pair always axial position. Remember this thing. In case of octahedral geometry, lone pair always axial position, not equatorial. Now shape determination, lone pair are not considered. So lone pair this side, and this is square pyramidal geometry. This is square pyramidal shape. Sorry, geometry. This is shape. This is square pyramidal shape. This is square pyramidal. Lone pair are not considered. Now another example, in case of XG F4. So steric number equal to half into, this is the xenon is valence electron, this is 8, so 8 plus number of monovalent 4 equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So 6 means sp3 due to hybridization. Now steric number equal to 6 equal to bond pair plus lone pair equal to bond pair. This is side atom 4, so 4 bond pair is there, and 2 lone pair equal to 6. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6, lone pair equal to 2. Now the geometry is this is octahedral geometry. So octahedral, first draw F, 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 F and 2 lone pair in axial position. So the shape is, this is, these lone pair are not considered. This is the square planar shape. This is the square planar. So and another example, ICl4 minus, this is similar to XgF4. So remember this thing. So this is all about steric number equal to 6. I will discuss VSEPR theory, whole concept and more tricks. So please stay with me and like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.